So what you'll do here, just pull that back, put your socket on there. There's one bolt here, one bolt there. That holds that up in place. Pull those off. You will pull this off. It's a 21 mil. The ones up top, they are a 19 millimeter. So now we just gotta pull this out. Clamp these on here, just like so. Go up far to the top. It doesn't matter on the old one, but on the new one, make sure you're up pretty close to the top. Just like that. Then we'll go ahead, put a 15 millimeter on there, spin it off. Just like that. Then go ahead, put this on your new shock. Dust cap, take it off. Put it on your new shock as well. Here's your new shock. Take it, push it down, pop that clip off. As you can see, that'll spring out on its own. Go right out to the end. Just like so. Take the new nut. I'll go ahead, put this on first. Slide it up. So, go ahead, I'll put this on. Take this nut, put it on here. Same deal. Hold the top, up top though. See, when the shock travels, you don't, if you do mark it a little bit at the top, the shock will never travel that far. So, go ahead, get it tight. Go ahead and tighten it up. Like so. And that's it. Go ahead and replace the shock.